Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to study about the uses of concave mirror and convex mirror. So these uses are based on their characteristic properties of how they are forming the images. So first we are going to study the uses of concave mirrors. So here first use is they are used in torches, searchlight and vehicles, headlight to get powerful beam of light. So how will be the concave mirror? Concave mirror is something like this. So we have seen this kind of headlight in our vehicle or in our two-wheelers. So this will throw a powerful beam of light, and this kind of mirror we can also see in torches. So where we require a powerful beam of light, there we are using the concave mirror. Then they are also used in shaving mirror to see the larger image of the face, because the image which we are getting from the concave mirror, they are bigger than the actual object, so that we can see a clear image of our face. So that's why we are using it into a shaving mirror also. Then so the third one is dentists use this to see large images of patient's teeth. So inside any cavity or gum growth is there, then to see that dentists are using this kind of concave mirrors. Then large concave mirrors are used to concentrate the sunlight to produce heat in solar furnaces. Yes, it is true that when we require a large amount of solar heat, then we can use this concave mirrors, and actually we are using those into producing a heat in solar furnaces. So these are the uses of concave mirror based on its characteristic property that it will give powerful beam of light, it will give a larger image, and it will concentrate the sun rays. So these uses are based on the characteristic property of concave mirror, that how they are used, that as they are giving the powerful beam of light. So they are used in the headlights of the vehicle, they are giving us larger image, so they are used in the shaving mirror, and they will give us a concentrated beam of sun rays. So that's why they are used in solar furnaces also. We will discuss the uses of convex mirror. So convex mirrors are commonly used as rear view mirror in vehicles and all. So in the vehicles, the side mirrors which we are using to see backside view of us, that is made by convex mirror. So it will enable us to see that how many vehicles are behind us. So convex mirrors will give erect though diminished image. They have a wider field of view as they curved outward. So how will be the convex mirror? Convex mirror is something like this. So they are curved outward. So that's why it will give us a larger area of the view. They will give us wider view compared to a simple mirror. Convex mirror enables driver to view much larger area than it would have been possible with a plain mirror. So this covers larger area. So that's why we are using this in a rear view mirror. And what will be the image? The image will be erect, diminished image, but a larger area will be covered by the convex mirror, and that's why we are using it. We do not need a complete real or complete perfect image when we are checking that how many vehicles are at our back. We only need to see that even if it is a hazy image, we can judge that there are 3 or 4 vehicles behind us, but a wider field will give us better judgment. So because of this, we will use convex mirror. Here we do not need any perfection in the image. Here what we need or required is wider view. So it will enable us to judge whether we can turn from here or how much traffic is there behind our back. So this wider field of view will enable us to take the decision. Here we do not need a perfect image. This kind of image we require when we are seeing our face, and that is given by the concave mirror. Here we need larger view and not the perfect image. So we are using convex mirror. Going forward, we are going to discuss about mirror formula and magnification. So don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.